Welcome everybody. Today we've got the Cobra Stellar Stiletto. I am missing, there's a tail fin piece here that I don't have, but I do have all the missiles and the laser cannon here. The front cone is rubber. It's actually a flexible thing. These are not. Pilot is the Star Viper, which better look at him. Tighten in on him. Supposedly sort of a cybernetic thing. He's got evidently some kind of electronic thing in his brain to make it better pilot. I think so. You got. It may not show on. Doesn't show on real good on mine. But there's a knife on that side. Sidearm on that side. Got the. His straps go all the way around. I guess that's part of his space suit. They do good. I say good. Like that. Don't say anything. Some laces on the boots. No real details there. No actual Cobra logo anywhere on him. I don't see nothing on his arms. Yeah, no Cobra logo. That's unusual. Most of these guys have a logo on them somewhere at least. But back up to show the ship a little better. Let's see. Sort of a cool looking. It's supposed to be, I think, not necessarily a spaceship, but able to attack into space. I don't think it's meant for duration. It's just supposed to pop up and shoot and come back down. I think. I could be wrong about that. Pretty actual sort of rudimentary here. Got the exposed, panels here. Doesn't look like there's any place for a cover on them. Got its Joe counter, I guess. And, I have no idea what all that extreme heat. Anything on the side? Just more extreme heat. They wobble a little bit, but I think that's just. Oh, what we got here? Danger thruster blast. Cannon stay clear. Okay, it's all kinds of interesting. So it looks like. I guess that's just the mount coming all the way through. It looks like there might actually be something else that goes on top of there. Missiles, it's typical Joe stuff. They pop off and these are fairly detailed. Got lots of little ridges and bumps and fins and everything on them. Let's see, and I'm not sure what the difference is between the two missiles other than appearance. I'll say this one's a little flatter, but it's still got plenty of stuff going on here. They mount up. It's like the fin. It worked to make it stand upright. Well, it does anyway. But it had a little extra foot there to keep it, for blast off. Let's see. I showed this guy pretty. Did I show you his face good? I'm not sure. I can't remember. But I say there he is. Get a good look at him both sides. I say I am surprised they didn't integrate a Cobra logo somewhere into him. That even his. Yeah, there's nothing, but it's not. Okay. I mean, his head back and forth and up and down. He's got the full bobbin effect. Let's see. Anything on the interior? Just some molded interior. There's no any stickers or anything in there. It's actually pretty cheap toy. It's just a couple of pieces. I don't know if it was actually cheap, but it's I can tell it's not a high quality. Endurance type manufactured toy, but still a cool looking toy. It's one that I don't remember actually playing with it, but I look at it now and this is really cool. It's got the crosshairs built into that is, I think that's molded into the plastic of the windshield. I guess that might be a radar panel, but that does where his head lines up right there. Let me put him in his seat. His head is right behind there, so that's obviously his heads-up display of some sort. That's an interesting tidbit, or well, that's not the right word either, but it escapes me. But anyway, Like I said, that was the Cobra Stellar Stiletto. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.